morning. It's April 6, 2021, and you're looking at NASA's astronomy picture of the day. And we like to play our favorite game where we try to guess what we're looking at before we read the explanation. But I'd like to give the audience a fair chance before I jump in there. I've been playing this game for a number of years. You know, sometimes when you go and observe, especially at really good telescopes, like when our planetarium here in Brevard County was still open, you see something like the planet Saturn set against the backdrop of just the vast blackness of space. And it looks like you put it there in the telescope. Like it just doesn't even look real, like you said. Like some of the, most awesome things that you know it's real, like you're looking at it. But yeah, it just doesn't even look real. It's just so awesome. And this, is not like a single photograph, but many exposures sort of overlaid on top of each other. And so it never really looks this bright, so this is some amount of sort of photography artwork here. But can anybody identify either where in space, what objects we're looking at there in the top part of the image? Is obviously a ground-based photograph. So you might guess, where in the world was this taken? There might be some clues there in the foreground. If you feel like you know, go ahead and pause the video now and leave it down in the comments below. That doesn't make a lot of sense if you're live in person right now. You get the idea. So a couple of weeks ago, this object was very close to this collection of stars here. Mars and the Pleiades is here. Very good, very good. Mars and the Pleiades beyond Vinegar Hill. So I don't know if everybody, oh, that looks like Vinegar Hill up in Nova Scotia, Canada. Well done if you knew that. It says, as usual, they're starting the explanation with a question here. Let's ponder the question, is this just a lonely tree on an empty hill? To start perhaps, but look beyond. There, a busy universe may wait to be discovered. First, physically to the left of the tree is the planet Mars. The red planet, which is the new home to NASA's Perseverance rover, remains visible this month at sunset above the western horizon. To the tree's right is the Pleiades, a bright cluster of stars dominated by several bright blue stars. The featured picture is a composite of several separate foreground and background images taken within a few hours of each other early last month from the same location on Vinegar Hill in Milford, Nova Scotia, Canada. At that time, Mars was passing slowly night after night, nearly in front of the distant Seven Sisters star cluster. The next time Mars will pass angularly as close to the Pleiades as it did in March will be in 2038. Something to look forward to. Mars and the Pleiades beyond Vinegar Hill in Canada.